Good evening. Good evening, everybody. Good evening, my students, my subscribers, and my friends, my fellow forex traders. Today, I want to do another analysis. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Okay. Before I go to the page I want to analyze, somebody made a request. Mr. Ferdinand said, please analyze GBPUSD. Anyway, GBPUSD I have been analyzed some days ago, so I suggest that you go to other videos. Maybe the videos I made on last Friday. Today is 12th December. The video I made on, I think, 6th, you will see GBPUSD. But for a long time, GBPUSD has no changes on my account. My account remains, this is an impulse and this is correction. And the correction has reached 100%. Okay, but it remains a correction until it breaks this high properly. Okay, this is WXY. So because of here and here have been somehow overtaken, this Y might be brought here, or better still, let me change the account for a reason. Let me remove let me make it WXYXZ, because it's a 5 waves swing now. WXYXZ. So we are looking for two things on this pair. First thing, we will surely have a drop because this move is corrective. Anyway, let me go to 4 hours to make the chart clearer. Okay, on 4 hours, you can see the market has turned from here. This is an ending diagonal. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The market has turned here, but my problem is what is happening here. I can't understand. You can see this sell stop. That's what I made the analysis. I advise people to sell from here, and here is the stop loss. And I did sell from here, but what happened is that I was stopped out. When this type of candle happens, the correction is supposed to end around here, but it goes up to close my trade at break even. I didn't lose money, but my profit was the market was closed on break even. So one thing is sure, I'm still optimistic that we will have a drop again. I'm expecting the pound-dollar to sell towards at least here, or even towards this end. So it's abnormal for all this move to break it and ended like this and go up. It's possible, but it's somehow abnormal. So on pound-dollar, I'm still expecting a sell. I might enter another sell at the break of this. So I might enter another sell stop at the break of this, but I need to check the market properly. So the bottom line is, it's not advisable to buy pound-dollar unless this line is broken properly. You see, this line have been broken, but not properly. I always mention properly because market can pierce a line and come back, just as it's happened. It pierced it and come back. So if you are watching the market and you see price here, and you enter by next 2 hours, you open chart and your stop loss have been closed. So you have to be patient. When market close properly on it, then you can look for buy. But as long as I'm concerned, the pounds dollar is a sell market, and towards this line it's gonna happen. So this is 4 hours. I'm not going into 1 hour because there's nothing to see on 1 hour. Anyway, let me check. There nothing new on 1 hour. You can see the price came down all the way, confirmed my sell setup, and comes back. I was thinking that I'm making profit. The next hour, after some hours, I open my chart and my markets are close or break even. I didn't lose money, so no pains. So what we're gonna do here, the worst scenario we will get here is A, B, C. The worst scenario is that we get this type of structure. We will get this type of structure, and what next? And it comes back again. But I don't see this very trade going back directly and breaks this high and continue going up. Is either we'll get the price keep going down and break this very big and complete to sell, or it completes this A, B, C structure and then come down. So what am I trying to say? If you are buying, be very careful. If I see the market coming up to this place, I'll be happy. I will look for sell setup from here. I want to wait for the break of here again. If market comes up here, around here, I will look for sell setup and sell from here. But whatever is happening, if it keeps going up to this level, I will not buy until it breaks this high properly. Okay, Mr. Ferdinand, I think you now understand what is going on pounds dollar. So my advice is that if you want to learn how to trade, make every effort to join my students group and pay little money. At the end of the year, by next year, I will begin to charge something meaningful. The price I charge now is not meaningful at all. So I know the reason to why I charge so little. And if you have been following my analysis, you can know that I'm not doing bad. I'm doing good. So if it's a school exam, I'll be scoring A. So let's go to the page I want to analyze today. Today I want to analyze cryptocurrencies. Okay, this is BTCUSD, Bitcoin USD. Bitcoin USD. Okay, this is 4 hours Bitcoin USD. So my opinion is that this is A wave, and this move is A of B. Then this very move is with A of B, and you can see we are having a triangle. Triangle is forming, and this is A of B of B. So if triangle forms as I'm expecting, it will be, this is A of B, and this is A of B, and this is triangle will be B of B, of B of C of B. So this is okay, this is A, B, C. This is A. I expect B to come here, and then C of B of C. So anyway, don't get confused. That is I don't like to label market in details, because those who don't understand will be confused. But there's nothing to confuse us here. This is a big A, and I'm suspecting a running flat or expanding flat. So if it is a running flat, this will fall, will not come down here. It will end somewhere around here. So, but I think we're gonna get this A, B, C at worst. Then the price will go up, then come down. Maybe not up to this level, maybe somewhere here. If it's gonna be a running flat and keep going up. So why am I saying this? If you are trading Bitcoin, be very careful. This move is impulsive and this move is corrective. So don't be fooled. If you want to buy, be careful. You better. I want to buy, but I'm not buying now. I will have patience and wait until price comes down around this area again. I expect price to close below this area, but I will be watching and watching the structure. If you watch my previous videos about Bitcoin, before this happened, I told my students, my subscribers, this is not a time to buy Bitcoin. After 2 days, this happened. So it's about the knowledge about structure and wave and swing. So I want them not to buy when the market is here. After 2 days, the price dropped. And when this happened again, I told them again, this is not time to buy Bitcoin. I kept saying it, and I'm still saying, this is not a time to buy Bitcoin. I'm saying again, this is not a time to buy Bitcoin. Rather, you can sell. So I'm expecting ABC to complete this ABC. Then we might have a buy again, maybe above this area or below it. Then another sell. So Bitcoin might be doing this come and go, come and go, come and go, visit and come back, north and south, for the next 2 months. It can be doing this for the next 2 months. But if you get a sharp move, I'll be happy, because I would like to buy. Okay, this is for 4 hours. I think I have explained everything. 2 hours, nothing to show on 2 hours other than details of the labeling. Okay, now let me teach you something. This is supposed to be in a student's class, but let me teach you why I did this. At least let it be your Christmas bonus. Why I suggest this double B count. You know, normally on my last video I just made A, B. This B was here and the C was somewhere here, but I have changed the count. The reason is that I have seen that this very move is a perfect example of impulse move, and the wave B is never an impulse. I now suggest that we have wave A of this B. This is we are going here, but because of this structure, you can see I labeled it 1, 2, 3. Then 4 will be 4 and 5. So why instead of this B to be here, I shift it to be here, because I have seen an impulse, and it is not normal to count impulse as B. B is a corrective structure. So, and triangle is a part of correction. So this is A, and B is forming triangle. That is B of B. The forming triangle. If it forms finish and drops, it will be A, B, C. C of this B. Then it's going to be A, B, C. Instead of this B terminating here, it comes here to terminate. And which is an irregular flat. Then it will drop. I can beat that because structure A, B, C. It's not the more that it will come to this point. It might end somewhere here. But what I'm saying is that we will have a drop, a buy, and a sell. So if you know how to read your charts, you can look for buy when this drop. After this drop, you can look for buy. But if you buy, take your profit around this area, around 20,000. If this drop happens, you can buy here, and between 17,600 and 17,200. If you can buy here, take your profit at 20,000. That is my advice. Okay. What next? Ethereum USD. This is my first time of analyzing Ethereum to the public. So, and Ethereum, I think we're gonna have the same complex correction of as we have on BTC. You know, BTC is the king, others are following it. And I can see a wave A, and the wave B have already closed above the wave A. So we must have such structure again on this, but I don't want to label it. I don't have the time. So we might have A, B, and C might go. We might have something complex. But what I'm saying, it's not time to buy Ethereum. It's not time to buy Ethereum. Okay, so this is for daily. 4 hours. You can see A, B. So as I said that this A, B, A of B. That is A. B may second down. B, C of B. Then this B might be something like this. A, B, C. To give us the wave 4 before wave 5 will go up. So I didn't label it in details. I just like to focus where we are, because counting it from here does not make any difference, because they are past. We must focus. This is where the money we are looking for is here. The money is no longer here. All what here is looking to tell us what has happened and what will likely happen. All this you will know when you join the class. Okay, Dow Jones Industrial Average. Dow Jones will. In my last analysis on Dow, I said that before we terminate either here or here, the market was here when I said expect another drop. If you want to buy, wait. We are expecting another drop. Excuse me. And it's happened. Now, what I don't like is that I was hoping that after this move, I was expecting to have a correction here so that I will buy, but it jumped close above this place and keep going up. So let's go to lower time frame to tell you what's happening here. Okay, this is 4 hours. Because of this structure, this is not a type of structure that will give us a buy setup. Expect a drop before we buy. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We are looking for 5, and wave 3 has internal structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, A, B, C. We are looking for another 5 waves structure that will give us the 5th wave. So nothing much to say here. I also show the 1 hour time frame to tell you that it's not the time to expect a drop. A drop is almost a drop is 99% a must. That is 99/1 that we have a drop before the buying continues. Okay. Gold. If you're a first trader, you learn how to be patient. Some people enter the gold here and they are making profit. Good. I have not entered any buy because I wasn't with my chart when this happened. Even if I'm with my chart, I need to enter when it is proper to enter. Entering when this is happening is jumping into the market, and you can move yourself if you jump into a moving vehicle. It's like a gambling. Some of my friends say that they entered buy here. Well, it's good for them. We call it a blind entry. Blind entry is 50-50. You enter, sometimes you gain, sometimes you lose. So it's better to wait for something like this. Okay, now let me tell you something. You might have this type of structure on gold. What happened here might happen. We might have this type of structure. This type of structure from here. And you can see this is a strong move. And this is a strong move. So what I'm saying is that I'm looking for a pullback or a correction before I buy. Okay, let's go to 4 hours. So this is exactly what I'm looking for. This could have been a buy setup. I saw this, but I was thinking that it will still go down, because to me, after this move, what happened here is so small to make a decision, but it's part of the game. So I'm looking for A, B, C. So this is what I'm going to do. If I have a drop, I may enter here if I see a buy setup, but it might still go up and come down. This is A, this is B. It's either it comes here and continue going, or it make a zigzag and continue going. So whichever happens, the best thing to do is to wait for a drop. Even if you don't enter here, you can enter above here. Yes, you can wait for the close of here before you buy. But I'm not even looking for sell setup on gold. I'm only looking for buy, because this is an impulse wave. Okay, 1 hour. I labeled the 1 hour. And there's nothing much to show on 1 hour other than the internal count. We have gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the perfect impulse move. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, 4, 5. So expect A, B, C before another buy. We might even come as low as 1820. Don't be surprised. If market closes, if the market keeps moving down and cut down to 1820, don't be surprised. It might happen like that. I think I've finished for today's analysis. Do I have time? Let me know what's happening on EURUSD. So EURUSD. Let me see what is happening there. Okay, this is 4 hours EURUSD. I expected the market to come down here. In my last analysis, you can see I said sell stop loss. And okay, now let me tell you something again. Whenever you set up whenever you enter a market and your target seems not to be working out, you just get out of the market. I didn't enter the sell because I wasn't when it broke, but you can see it broke it and it goes back above it. So if somebody have entered a sell, the person will be on small profit. But this is not an ideal. My ideal, what I expected is a drop, a sharp candle is what I expected. At least, though I said that we will have a drop around here or at this trend line. I remember I said it, and there, as you can see, we will likely have the market go to the trend line before it's going up. So what I'm saying, and I also advised against selling. I advised against selling because it is going up. So what we're gonna do, if you have an open sell position, I advise you to close it, because market can bounce here and go up. But if it breaks here properly, what I mean by properly is, if a sharp candle moves like this, the candle closed somewhere like this and make a correction like this, and make a correction like this, then you look for, this is where you will enter your sell. When the market breaks, don't jump in, wait for it to close, and if something like this happens, then it will be a good reason for you to enter a sell. This is an example of flag. So whenever I say properly, this is what I mean by properly. This is another bonus teaching for free. This type of lesson is for those who paid for the course, but no problem. We are approaching Christmas, so grab the knowledge now. EURUSD is buying, not selling, but be careful because it can sell. Even if you buy, here is their target. You might have a bounce back from here. Okay, I think let me go to 1 hour to know if there is anything there. And 1 hour, this move is not an ideal move. This move is corrective. Of course, this is an impulse. This is correction. So, but I'm thinking we may have A, B, C. So, the market will likely come to this trend line before it goes up again. This is all for tonight. Have a trade with care. Remember to use stop loss, money management. Don't overtrade. Don't be greedy. Don't be fearful. If you join our class, we teach you how to kill greed and how to overcome fear in trading. Okay, join our Telegram channel. The link will be on the video's description. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Share our video with your friends, those who want to learn. We all need to pay little money for this year. Every price will change. God bless you. Trade with care. Bye.